Dahi Vada recipe. In a bowl, take 2 cups of urad dal, wash them properly 2 to 3 times and soak in 4 to 5 cups of water for at least 4 to 5 hours. Once it's well soaked, add it to a blender with very little water and blend into a thick paste like this. Remove the paste into a bowl, add some salt as needed and then mix very well using your hands or a whisk. This is extremely important. Then wet your hands a little bit and add them to hot oil and cook them until they're crisp and golden brown on a medium flame. Remove the vadas into a concoction of hot water or lukewarm water, salt, jeera powder, hing and let them soak for at least half an hour. Squeeze out the water and then just top your dahi vadas with some dahi, with some green mint and coriander chutney, some khajur imli chutney, salt, jeera powder, red chili powder, add in some fresh coriander leaves, some pomegranate seeds and dig in. Our delicious dahi vadas are ready. Enjoy!